Welcome to Caribbean Glow. Why aren't more people talking about growing chickpeas at home? It's like the best kept secret in gardening. Today we're diving into how you can become a chickpea growing guru in just a few easy steps. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are super nutritious and easier to grow than finding a matching sock in the laundry. First things first, make sure you're planting them in warm, well-drained soil. Think of it as giving them a cozy bed to sleep in. Timing is key here. Wait a few weeks after the last frost so the soil has warmed up nicely. No one likes cold feet, not even chickpeas. Next, give those seeds some space to breathe. They need their personal bubble, just like we do. Proper spacing ensures good air circulation, helping your plants grow strong and healthy. Think of it as social distancing for plants. Now, chickpeas love water, but not too much. They're not trying to become the next Atlantis. Keep the soil moist, especially during dry spells, but be careful not to overwater. Nobody likes soggy roots. It's a real mood killer. With a little bit of care and attention, you'll be looking at a bountiful harvest of fresh, homegrown chickpeas before you know it. Your friends will be green with envy. So what are you waiting for? The chickpeas aren't going to plant themselves. Get out there and start planting. Happy gardening, folks. And remember, the chickpeas believe in you.